Hi everyone, welcome to Secure Signal. When most people think of VPNs, they imagine total freedom in online. Like, wow, I'm invisible now, no one can track me. This is the liberty everyone deserves. But the truth is, full freedom in online doesn't really exist, even in democratic countries. Many believe that using a VPN makes their internet activity completely private and untraceable. But that's not quite true. Today we are breaking down what a VPN really does, what it doesn't do, and how you can improve your online privacy. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the basics. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. When you connect to one, it hides your real IP address and shows the VPN server's IP instead, usually located somewhere else in the world. It also encrypts your internet traffic from your device to the server and then from the server to the website you visit and back again. Think of it like sending your data through a secure tunnel. Anyone snooping on your network, like on public Wi Fi, won't see what you're doing inside the tunnel. It sounds great, right? And it is for certain things. But here's the catch, hiding your IP is only part of the story. Websites and apps don't just rely on your IP, they can track you using something called browser fingerprinting. And no, this is not like your thumbprint. Browser fingerprint is a method where every device, browser, and screen setup is slightly unique. They can combine details like your browser type, Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and your screen resolution, installed fonts, system language, and many more. Even if you switch your IP using a VPN, websites can still recognize you using this fingerprint. For example, have you ever visited a website and it says, looks like you're using a VPN? That's a browser fingerprinting at work. Even the stealthiest VPNs can sometimes be detected because of your device fingerprint. Another example, if you log into the same account you always use or fill out forms with the same info, websites can link your activity back to you. So a VPN alone won't make you invisible in online. Don't get me wrong, VPNs are still really useful. They are great for protecting yourself on public Wi-Fi, encrypting your traffic so ISPs or hackers can see it accessing geo-blocked content. But here's the key. A VPN is a tool, not a magic shield. It helps you, but it's not perfect. So how can you actually make it harder to track your online activity? Here's my recommended strategy. Remember, nothing is 100% untraceable, but you can definitely reduce your digital footprint. Use a VPN with no lock policy. This prevents the provider from storing your activity. Combine it with a privacy focused browsers like Brave, Hardened Firefox, or even a Tor. Avoid logging into the accounts you use everywhere or create a separate anonymous account. Be careful with extensions or apps that can leak data. Use private browsing or incognito mode when testing websites. Combining these habits will shrink your digital footprint much more than using a VPN alone. To sum up, VPNs are great for certain things, but they're not magic invisibility cloak. True online privacy requires a combination of tools and smart habits. In the end, your online behaviors matter more than the tools themselves. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Secure Signal Official for more tech and privacy tips, and drop a comment. I love to hear what privacy tips you already use or want to learn about next. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.